Welcome to online classes, Samagra Shiksha, Andhra Pradesh. Today we have discussed the 7th class maths, 7th class mathematics topic, simple equation. Okay children, already we know that simple equations in previous class. So today we discuss the solution of the simple equation. How to solve the solution of the simple equation. Once again I will repeat the simple equation. Simple equation means x plus 1 equals to 7. This is the simple equation. The power is the 1 and one variable and this power is 1. So this is called a simple equation. We learned the simple equation in previous class. Today we discussed the solution of the simple equation. Solution of the simple equation. Just to see the children. Look at this book. This is the weighing balance, weighing machine or weighing balance. We know that children. But you can go to the market. We sell the vegetables. In this balance same to same. In this way, the mathematic equations is the balance. మ్యాథమెటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ని కూడా మనము బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసి వేస్తాము. ఏ విధంగా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసి వేస్తాం అనేది మనం చూద్దాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సీ ద చిల్డ్రన్, x plus 5 equals to 8. x plus 5 equals to 8. In this way, LHS one pants x plus 5, another pants is 8. x plus 5 and 8 balance చేయడం కోసం మనము ఈ x plus 5లో ఎంత వేస్తే 8 వస్తుంది అనేది చూసుకున్నట్టయితే x ప్లస్లో 3 వేసినట్టయితే 3 plus 5 8. సో ద బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్. See the children, x plus 5 equals to 8. So x plus 5 minus 5. So subtraction minus 5. Subtraction both side minus 5. So 5 minus 5 cancel. X equals to 8 minus 5 3. So x is equal to 3. Once again x is equal to substitute in this value x equals to 3. 3 plus 5 8. So 8 balance is okay. In this way మనం solve the problems. How to solve the problems? Look at the blackboard. Students, first of all I have given the one example solution of the solving the simple equations. Solving the సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్. మనం సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ని వెయింగ్ మెషిన్ని ఏ విధంగా అయితే బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తూ వేస్తామో అలాగే మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఈక్వేషన్ని కూడా మనం బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తూ ఈక్వేషన్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. విల్ టేక్ ద వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. x minus 9 equals to 7. This is the one simple equation. How to solve this simple equation? So x minus 9 ఓన్లీ వన్ వేరియబుల్ xని మాత్రమే మనము ఉండేటట్టుగా చేసుకోవాలి. సో xని మాత్రమే ఉండేటట్టు చేసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్లో ఏం చేయాలంటే ద సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ added both side of the equation. We can learn the students, we can learn the briefly. Next other time we can write the simple form. ఏం రాసినమ్మా, the same number is added both side of the equation. Both side same నెంబర్ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఏంటి యాడ్ చేయాలి? సో -9 ఉంది కాబట్టి +9ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. లుక్ ఎట్ ద బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ చిల్డ్రన్. -9 + 9 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 7 + 9. 7 + 9. ఏం చేశాను? వాట్ ఐ ఆమ్ డూయింగ్? యాడ్ both side 9. Add both side 9. Okay children, once again I will repeat it. This part is called the LHS and this part is called the RHS. 6th class లో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకుని ఉంటారమ్మా. ఒక సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్కి ఈక్వల్స్ టుకి ఇటువైపు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న దాన్ని మనం LHS అని, ఇటువైపు రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న దాన్ని RHS సైడ్ అని అంటారు. LHS RHS. We know the children. So minus 9 plus 9 cancel. Then x is equal to 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, how much? 16. Okay, x is equals to 16. Solve the simple equation. Next, B example. Another example. X plus 5 is equal to 9. X plus 5 is equal to 9. Same in this, the same number is in the previous sum I can do the adding. In this sum I can subtract in the same number. Subtraction the same number. Subtracted from both side. From both side of the equation. Both side of the equation. So x plus 5 minus 5 equals to 9 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 is cancelled. X is equal to 9 minus 4. That means 4. X is equal to 4. This is the solution. Another example I can told. Plus addition, subtraction. How can another two operations, multiplication and division. The same number is multiplied. The same number multiplied on both sides. On both sides of the equation. Multiplication. X by 5 equals to 15. X by 5 equals to 15. So we remove the 5. X by 5 into 5. 15 into 5. Both side I will multiply the 5. This 5 and 5 is cancelled and x is equal to 15 5s are 75. This is the solution of this given linear equation. This linear is a equation. Simple equation. Simple equation. In this simple equation I can solve the x. Okay, so solve the x, both sides multiplied by the 5. Both sides multiplied 5. 5 cancel, then x is equal to 15 5 is 75. This is the solution of the given simple equation. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and in the same way the division. The same non-zero number divides both of the equation. Given 7x equals to 14. This is the simple equations, children. 7x equals to 14. I will solve the x. So 7x by 7 equals to 14 by 7. Both sides I will divide the 7. 7 cancel. X equals 7 1s are 7 2s are 2. X is equal to 2. This is the solution of the given simple equation. X is equal to 2 is the solution of the given simple equation. This is the simple equation, children. X power lo entundi 1. Variable okate undi kabatti idoka simple equation. So I will tell the finally I will tell the solution of the simple equation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also division. You can understand in the children these problems. Observe the children, the x value, x coefficients only 1. X coefficients is only 1. X coefficient another number ఇచ్చినట్టయితే సొల్యూషన్ అనేది నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లంలో మనం చూద్దాం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి, మీరు చక్కగా అర్థం చేసుకొని చూడండి అమ్మా. Children, do this another problem, simple equation solve. In previous 4 sums, వేరియబుల్ పక్కన మనకి నో నెంబర్, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఇచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ ఒక నెంబర్ అనేది ఉంది. ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలనేది మనం డిస్కషన్. సొల్యూషన్ గివెన్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ 3k plus 4 equals to 28 plus 4 we can solve both side minus 4 ని మనం యాడ్ చేయండి. అంటే 3k plus 4 minus 4 subtraction 28 minus 4. Children, what I have doing, minus 4 both sides equation ki subtraction chesamu. So minus 4 plus 4 is cancelled. 3k equals to 28, the minus 4 removes 24. Next k equals to 24 by 3. 24 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 8s. K equals to 8. K equals to 8. K equals to 8 is the solution of the given simple equation. K is equal to 8 is solution of the given simple equation. Another, the question is extended, verified. So verify chadam. Verified. Children, in LHS part is the LHS part in this simple equation. LHS part is 3k plus 4 and RHS part is the 28. So I will take the LHS. Take LHS 3k plus 4. What is this value of k? K value is 8. So 3 into 3, k value is 8, substitute and 4. 3 4s are 24 plus 4 plus 28. So LHS value is 28, RHS value is 28. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. So 3k plus 4 equals to 28. Hence proved. Hence proved. Children, వెరిఫై చేయమంటారు. మనకి గివెన్ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేసి ఆ సాల్వ్ చేయగా వచ్చినటువంటి వాల్యూ వెరిఫై చేయండి అని అడుగుతారు. ఇన్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ వెరిఫైడ్. సో గివెన్ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్ 3k plus 4 equals to 28. Subtraction both side minus 4 plus 4 and minus 4 cancel. Again 3k equals to 24. K equals to k 3 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది, ఈక్వల్స్ టుకి రివైజ్ అయితే డివిజన్ అవుతుంది. సో 24 by 3. సో k equals to 8. 3 1s are 3 8s are. So LHS part is the 3k plus 4, RHS part is 28. Take LHS part 3k plus 4, substitute the k value in LHS. So 3 into k 8 plus 4, 24 plus 4 28. Given RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Manaki k is equals to 8 is the solution of the given simple equation. K is equal to 8 is the solution of the given simple equation. Another problem I can discuss. Children, we have understand a k is equal to 8 is the solution of the given simple equation. Okay. Another example I will discuss. Solve minus 4 in x minus 1 equals to 16. Minus 4 into x minus 1 equals to 16. Read it, children. Minus 4 into x minus 1 equals to 16. LHS part is minus 4 into x minus 1. RHS part is 16. So take the simple equation minus 4 into x minus 1 equals to 16. Minus 4 into x minus 4x. Minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4 equals to 16. Equals to 16. Now we subtraction minus 4 on both sides. Minus 4 into x plus 4 minus 4 equals to 16 minus 4. Both side ఏం చేసామమ్మా మనం? both side 4 ని సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసాము. ఏం చేసాం? సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ both side 4. Subtract both side 4. Okay children. plus 4 minus 4 cancel, minus 4x equals to 16 minus 4 minus 12, okay, plus 12, minus 4x equals to 12, remove the minus and 4, remove the minus and 4, so we multiplied the both side, divide by both side by 4, minus 4x by 4 equals to 12 by 4, divided both side 4, so remove the 4, 4 ones are 4 threes are, minus x equals to 3, therefore x equals to minus not pumpkin cheste minus 3. This is the solution of the given simple equation. X is equals to minus 3 is the solution of the given simple equation. Verified. Verify chadam bro. Verified. Verified. Now children, solve the minus 4 into x minus 1 equals 6. Solve chesamu, x value minus 3 value get x is equal to minus 3. Check. Minus 3 is the solution of the given equation. Avuna kada check chedam. We can do it the verified. So substituted x is equal to minus 3 in the given equation. In the given equation. Given equation minus 4 into x minus 1 equals to 16. Minus 4, x value is minus 3. Minus 1 equals to 16. Minus 4, minus 3 minus 3, minus 4. We have already learned in 6th class. Minus into minus plus. 4 4s are 16. 16 equals to 16. So, LHS part is equals to RHS part is same equal. LHS and RHS are equal. So, x is equals to 3 is the solution of the given simple equation. X is equal to minus 3 is the solution of the given simple equation. Hence, verified. Hence, verified. Children, you can understand this problem. X equals to 1. First of all, we solve the x value. So, x value vachin tarvata we check that this one is the solution or not. So, substitute the x value in x. So, man remind minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. So, 16 equals to 16. LHS is equals to RHS. So, x is equal to minus 3 is the solution of the given simple equation. You can understand the 2 problems, children. Children, see the textbook 3.2 exercise. I have already told the examples in 4 and do these 2 problems. First of all, first 4 problems in first 4 problems, remaining 2 problems same as these sums. Given the steps, you will use the separated the variable and the solve the equations. First cheppanu problems prakaram ivi cheyandamma. Solve the following the simple equation and check the result. Same ive problems ni ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేసి ఉన్న సమ్స్ లాగా you can do the children very easily. Any doubts? I can explain remaining sums. See this problems already I have told. Another I will given the simple equation x plus 5 equals to 7. Solve the x value. Solve the x value. Solve antene manam x value ni find out cheyadamu. So in this problem plus quantity plus 5. Plus 5 the this is the equality. Plus quantity other side minus quantity. Plus quantity is equals to ki move avute minus quantity avutundi. X plus 5 equals to 7. Then x equals to 7 plus 5 becomes minus 5. Plus 5 becomes minus 5. So plus quantity you remove the minus quantity. So x is equals to 7 minus 5, 2. So, this is the solution of the given simple equation. Plus quantity, change the minus quantity. When equals to ki change ayin tarvata. Another sum, x minus 3 equals to 10. So, x is equal to 10 minus 3 becomes plus 3. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. So x is equal to 13. This is the solution of the simple equation. And in this way, x 3 multiple by 3 into x multiplied. So 3 is multiplied by x, but this can be changed equals to other side division. Other side change division. So into quantity becomes a division. Into quantity becomes a division. So x is equal to 3 ones are 3 threes. X is equal to 3. X by into x 3x. 3 LHS multiplication is equals to that side we change the division. 3x, so x is equal to 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So x is equal to 3. 3 is multiple, but the change the equals to other side division. Similarly, x by 4. 4 is divided by x. X by 4. We can change x equals to that side. Division quantity becomes the into. So 4 into 2. So x is equal to 4 2s are 8. X equals to 8 the solution of the given simple equation. So in this problem, children, we can understand this topic. Plus quantity becomes minus quantity. Plus becomes minus quantity. So the example, first problem. Minus quantity becomes plus quantity. Second problem. Into quantity becomes the divided. Third problem. C. Division quantity becomes the into quantity. D problem. In these 4 operations, solution of the solution of the given linear equation. This is the transformation of the simple equations. Transformation of the simple equation. Plus becomes the minus, minus becomes the plus quantity into multiplication. This becomes division. Division quantity becomes the multiplication. In mathematics, the 4 operations. Children, next solve the another problems. Solve means solution. Solution means a variable. What is the given the variable in sum? That's value we can find. In this problem, the variable is b. So it is the resultant answer is find the b value. Resultant answer is find the b value. So once again I will write it the sum 2 into b plus 3. Children, we have read the problem carefully. 2 into b plus 3 plus 13 equals to 27. 2 both are multiplied. B plus 3 multiplied by b plus 3. So 2 into b, 2b plus 2 3s are 6 plus 13 equals to 27. 2b plus 6 and 13 become added 19 equals to 27. 27. I will ask the previous plus quantity becomes change the minus quantity. So 2b equals to 27 minus 19. Minus 19. So b equals to 27. Remove the 19. It becomes like 8. 2 is multiplied by b. We can change that side 8 by 2. 2 multiply చేస్తుంది అట్ సైడ్ వస్తే డివిజన్ చేస్తుంది సో 4 8 2s are 8 4 so b is equals to 4 b is equals to 4 this is the solution of the given linear simple equation b is equal to 4 is the solution of the simple equation we substitute the b value 4 in this equation LHS is equals to RHS. Another problem. Solve 5 into x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 7 is equals to 13. In previous problem lage 5 into x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 7 equals to 13. 5 is multiplied by both x plus 1 minus 2 is multiplied by both x minus 7. 5 into x 5 plus 5 into 1 5 minus 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలమ్మా minus 2 into x minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 into 7, 14. 2 7s are 14 equals to 13. 5x. So 5x and minus 2x. 5x minus 2x. 5x 6 9 minus 2x 9. So remove the 5x minus 2x becomes 3x. 5 plus 14 19 equals to 13 3x equals to 13 plus 9 that side it equals to change that side minus 19 3x equals to 13 this is the smallest number and this is the biggest number, so we can put the minus 13 no minus 9 19 no 13 తీసి minus symbol పెట్టేయండి అమ్మ. So I get the answer is minus 6. So 3x is equal to minus 6, then x is equal to minus 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So x is equal to minus 2. This is the solution of the given simple equation. X is equal to minus 2. Once again I will repeat it. 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 1, 5, minus 2 into x, 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 7s are 14 equals to 13. 5x plus 2x remove చేస్తే 3x plus 5 and 14 19 equals to 13. 3x equals to 13 minus 19 minus 6. So x is equal to 3 is multiple equals to outside వస్తే division చేస్తుంది. So 6 by 3 x is equal to minus 2. Children, check this problem. X equals minus 2 is the solution of the given equation or not? Check చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. We can check. X is equal to minus 2. Substitute the given equation. Given equations lo x equals to minus 2 and substitute చేస్తే given equation is what? 5 into x plus 1 minus 2 x minus 7 equals to 13. So x value we get minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 into, so x value minus 2 minus 7 equals to 13. 5 into, look at the children, I have write the brackets. So brackets means into, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 7 minus 9 13 minus 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus into minus plus 2 9s are 18 equals to 13 minus 5 plus 18 remove చేస్తే 13 equals to 13. So LHS part is equals to RHS part, hence verified. So two values are equal. This is the, so x is equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given simple equation. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ కి x equals to minus 2 అనేది సొల్యూషన్ అవుతుంది. Hence proved. Hence verified. You can understand the children? In the examination we given the sum, so solve the sum and check them అని అంటారు. కాబట్టి పూర్తిగా ఈ సమ్ అంతా చేస్తేనే మనకు కంప్లీట్ అయినట్టు. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాము, మనము సొల్యూషన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాము. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాము, ఎక్స్ చెక్ చేసాము, ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఎంత వచ్చిందో దాన్ని ఆ లెక్కలో ప్రతిక్షేపించి వెరిఫై చేసాము. LHS is equals to RHS వచ్చినట్టు. Student, now discuss the another problem. 12 equals to 13 plus 7 into y minus 6. Solve అంటే ఏంటి, వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి, y. So you can find the value of y. 12 and this was the LHS and RHS. We interchange చేసుకోవచ్చమ్మా మన ప్రాబ్లమ్ని. సో I have interchanged the problem. 13 plus 7 into y minus 6 is equal to 12. LHS, RHS are interchanged. ఇలాంటి చేసినా పర్వాలేదు, ఓకే, ఐ కెన్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. బెస్ట్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేసినా ఇట్స్ ఓకే. సో 13 ప్లస్ 7 into y, 7y, 7 6 42 equals to 12. 7y 13 and minus 42. 42లో రిమైనింగ్ 13 42 నుంచి రిమూవ్ చేస్తే 13ని 12 and 3 9 3 1 2 29. We get 29 equals to 12. 7y equals to 12 minus quantity becomes plus quantity. So plus 29. 7y equals to 41. Y equals to multiplication of y, that side becomes division, 41 by 7. This is the solution of the given simple equation. We check the problem given the work to children. Y is equal to 41 by 7. Substituted this linear simple equation. LHS is equals to RHS. మీరు ఒకసారి చేయండి అమ్మా, వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయండి. 41/7 అనే వాల్యూని ఇందులో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే LHS is equals to RHS వస్తుంది. ఒకసారి మీరు ట్రై చేయండి చిల్డ్రన్. Another problem I can told. m/2 minus 2m/7 minus m/10 equals to 8/5. In this sum, the variable is m. So, we can find the m value. First of all, LCM. You find the LCM of 2, 7 and 10. 2, 7 and 10. I can write the problem again. Given problem m/2 minus 2m/7 minus m/10 equals to 8/5. Well, first of all, find the LCM of 2, 7 and 10. Children, recall the LCM once 2, 7 and 10. 2 and 10 multiplied by 2 tables. So, I can write the 2. 2 ones are 2. 7 and 5. So, 2 into 1 into 7 into 5. 35 2s are 35. 7 5s are 35 into 1 35 2s are 10 1 7 70. So LCM is 70. LCM is 70. m/2 into LCM 70, 2m/7 into LCM 70, m/10 into LCM 70 is equal to 8/5. 8/5. 35. LCM 70. 2 ones are 2 35s are. 7 ones are 7 10s are. 10 7s are. So 35 into m, 35m. Again 2 ones 2 35. 7 ones are 7 10s are 70. 10 ones are 10 7s are 70. 35 into m, 35m minus 2m into 10. 2m into 10. 2 10s are 20. m minus m into 7. 7m by 70 equals to 8/5. 35m minus 20 minus 7. So 35m. ఈ రెండు మైనస్ క్వాంటిటీ కాబట్టి యూ యాడ్ ద మైనస్ క్వాంటిటీ 27m by 70 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 8/5. 8/5. 35లో 27 రిమూవ్ చేసినట్టయితే 35m 27m రిమూవ్ చేసినట్టయితే 7 8m's 8m. So 8m by 70 is equal to 8/5. 8m equals to 8/5 into 70. This division becomes a multiplication. 5 ones are 1 2 14 17. So 8m equals to 8 into 14. So m is equal to 8 into 14 by 8. 8 cancel. M is equal to 14. This is the solution of the given simple equation. M is the solution of the given equation. M is equal to 14. Again I will repeat it children. M variable is, students check the problem. Substituting m is equal to 14 in the given equation. So m value is 14, m 14, m value is 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 7 minus 2 minus 2 twos are 4. 14 by 10 is equal to 8 by 5. This is the LHS part, this is the RHS part. So 7 minus 4 becomes 3. 3 minus 14 by 10 equals to 8 by 5. LCM is 10. 3 times are 30 minus 14 equals to 8 by 5. 13 minus 14, that means 13 లో 14 తీసివేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది 30 14. 10 లో 1 ఆపుతే 6 1 16. 16 by 10 equals to 8 by 5. 16 by 10 2 తో మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుందమ్మా. 2 8s are 2 5s are. So 8 by 5 and 8 by 5. 8 by 5 8 by 5. LHS is equals to RHS. 8 by 5 is equal to 8 by 5. This is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Rendu kuda equal ga, though both LHS and RHS are equal. So this m is equal to 14 is the solution of the given simple equation. Next, another topic. Children, in previous sums we can find the given equation solution. In this problem equation icharu, solution find out chesam. So this is called the normal path. Equation to solution is called normal path. But given solution ichi equation గాని రాయమని అడిగితే దాన్ని రివర్స్ పాత్ అంటారు. Given equation to solution is called normal path. Solution is given, find the equation reverse path. For example, normal path. Let us consider a simple equation. 8x minus 7 is equals to 17. 8x is equals to 17 minus 7 then plus 7. 8x equals 24. X is equal to 3. This is the equation. This is the solution. It's called a normal path. In this reverse path, x is the solution. So we get x equal to 3 into 8 by 8, 24 by 8. So 8 becomes divided, that side multiplication, 8x equals to 24. Both sides subtraction minus 7. 8x minus 7 equals to 24 minus 7. 24 7 is 17. 8x minus 7 is equals to 17. Children, listen carefully. You can understand. I will given the equation, solve the equation, x equals to 3. This is the solution. This is called a normal path, but reverse path. Solution I have given, write the equation. 8x minus 7 is equals to 17. 8x minus 7 is equals to 17. You can understand the children. This one is the normal path. This one is the reverse path. But find the reverse solution ichi, you can write the 3 equations and అడిగినట్టయితే మనం different equations ni మనము write చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. This is the 3 equivalented equation having the solution x is equals to 3. Previous I have told the children solution you can given, write the equations. So similarly solution is given x is equal to 2. I will find the different equations. X is equal to 2. Equation 1, x is equal to 2. So both sides I will adding the plus 5 and plus 5. So x plus 5 is equals to 7. This is the equation. This is the solution. Solution is given, equation is written. So another, x is equal to 2, subtraction minus 4. So x minus 4 equals 2 minus 4 minus 2. This is the solution and this is the equation. And x is equal to 2. This is the solution and this one is the equation. Both side I will multiply 4. 4 into x, 4x, 2 into 4, 8. 4x is equal to 8. So added both side plus 1 and plus 1. 4x plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 1, 9. This is the simple equation. This simple equation is solution is x is equals to 2. In previous sums we have given the simple equation, find the solution. But in this sum I have given the solution, write the simple equation. So x is equals to 2 ki x plus 5 equals 7, x minus 4 equals to minus 2 and 4x plus 1 is equal to 9 are the equivalented equations because they have the same solution x is equals to 2. They have same the solutions x is equals to 2. x equals to 2 ki 3 equations solutions avutayi. That's all children. I will given the homework to at home. Understand the children? I will given the homework in exercise. Same problems as it is. I will told the as it is problems. I will given the exercise 3.3. This is the first exercise. First time మనం చెప్పినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లాగే ఇవి సెకండ్ టైము, ఇవి థర్డ్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు సొల్యూషన్ ఇచ్చి రివర్స్ పాత్ అండ్ ఈక్వలెంట్ పాత్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఆ సమ్స్. డూ ఇట్ ద చిల్డ్రన్. I have understand this lesson very simply easily lesson. Please learn do this sums children. Thank you for the given opportunity. This madam homework ki once again what we have given the homework 3.3 exercise సేమ్ యాజ్ టీ సమ్స్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక్కొక్క లెక్కకి ఒక్కొక్కటి సంబంధించి ప్రాబ్లం నేను చెప్తున్నాను, ట్రై చేయండి. 3.3లోని అండ్ అగైన్ 3.2లో సమ్స్, వెరీ ఈజీ సమ్స్. యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. స్టూడెంట్స్, I forget the small given the small puzzle. Find the answer. 2 apples total 30, bananas total 12 and oranges 3 each other 13. What about this answer? Puzzle, small puzzle, just fill the puzzle. Okay children, very easy chapter. Simple equations is very easy chapter and important chapter. Do this homework. Thank you for the given opportunity.